Top 5 Best Chairs for Around a Fire Pit. Number 5. FireSense Black Coconino Wicker Chair. The next on our list is the FireSense Black Coconino. This is made of all-weather rattan, and includes durable yet comfortable cushions, so you can relax and enjoy while seated around the fire. This chair features an Adirondack style of chair to ensure it is comfortable for the body. The FireSense chair is covered with rattan with an aluminum frame to ensure it is durable for all weather. The style of this chair makes it a great complement to enjoy the evening by the poolside or patio. This chair is lightweight, making it easy to move around to a more comfortable area or setting. Rattan is known for its durability and resilience to weather elements. This means you can have this chair outdoors for long with little to no maintenance. Furthermore, to complement the flexibility and comfortability of this chair, it features a reasonable height backrest to ensure the body is comfortable while seating on this chair. The whole chair is easy to assemble and can be done by anyone with no technical know-how. Also, this comes with an all-weather cushion, which also makes the chair comfortable for use. This chair is a great complement for any type of outdoor space you have created purposely for relaxation. What we like. Made of all-weather materials. Designed for comfort. Aluminum frame to prevent rusting. Requires little to no maintenance. Assembling is easy. Coming in number 4. Outsunny Outdoor Adirondack Rocking Chair. This classic natural rocking Adirondack chair style adds a level of class and charm to its durable construction, making this chair a perfect addition to your fire pit area. With this chair, you can rock back and forth while enjoying the evening roasting your favorite bird. This chair is crafted from solid and all-weather resistant natural fir wood in a natural color for beauty and durability season after season. However, to change the look of this Halloween Adirondack rocker, you can use a wood seal or all-weather coating. This rocker is ergonomically designed with a super large chair back, and seat with the back angle perfectly fits your body curve, making it super comfortable to lean on. Suitable for all weather and requires little to no maintenance. The Outsunny's outdoor rocking chair features a durable frame and a wide seat, which can hold up to 500 pounds without compromising structure or safety. Putting this chair together can be confusing and time-consuming, but you will surely love the result. Also, this Adirondack rocker consists of wide wooden supportive slats. With that, you can enjoy your time outdoors and still feel comfortable no matter how long you sit. What we like. Requires little to no maintenance. Made of durable and all-weather wood. Suitable for any outdoor area. Sturdy and completely durable. Complement any area it is placed. Assembling is easy. Coming in number 3. Lakeland Mills Cedar Log Lounge Chair. The next on our list is Lakeland Mills Lounge Chair. This chair also features an Adirondack style to enhance the comfort of this chair. This chair also comes in natural color to complement any style or design you have around your home. The natural color of this chair helps ensure it can be redesigned to any color that fits your outdoor space. This chair is made of durable, all-weather, and insect-resistant white cedar wood to ensure you are outdoor for long. The cedar wood is known for its durability and resilience to weather elements, making them suitable for outdoor furniture. Also, this chair features curvy seat slats for greater comfort and ensures the body is properly relaxed. The natural color of this wood helps to create a welcoming ambience anywhere it is placed. It requires little to no maintenance and can be left outdoor for long. Assembling this chair is easy as anyone can do it with or without any technical know-how. You can have this chair outdoor anyhow you want, stained or unstained, and you will still love its amazing look. What we like. Made of all-weather and insect-repellent wood. Suitable for any outdoor area. Easy to put together. Complement any decing you have in place. Requires little to no maintenance. Coming in number 2. CleverMade Tamarack Folding Wooden Outdoor Chair. Aside from the fact that this chair is suitable for outdoor use, it is also foldable, making it mobile. Its portability helps to enhance its durability by ensuring it is moved into storage when not in use. The unique style of this chair makes it suitable for any outdoor space. Also, the ergonomic seat, low profile of the chair, and tall backrest give you extreme comfort when lounging with a cocktail after a stressful day. Also, it helps to instantly upgrade your space and be used to entertain friends in your backyard. This chair is made with comfort in mind as it features a contoured slate seating area that supports the body. Furthermore, to enhance the convenience of this chair does not need any assembling as it comes pre-assembled. This chair is made of acacia wood to ensure this chair is durable and stands the test of time. Furthermore, the chair is finished with UV and all-weather resistant wood seal, which makes it more durable. Each chair weighs 18 pounds with a maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds. Tamarack chairs can be stored flat for quick and easy storage, out in the storage shed, or tucked away from sight on your patio. What we like: made of durable and all-weather materials. Suitable for outdoor use. A unique style that complements any design. Foldable for more convenience and durability. No assembling required. Coming in number 1. KETER Alpine Fire Pit Seating Adirondack Patio Chair. The chair that tops our list is the KETER Adirondack chair for around the fire pit. So many chairs on this list feature the unique style of this chair, which offers soothing comfort. Also, this chair blends well with any type of design you have in place. This chair feels like wood, but it is not made of wood. It is made of all-weather polypropylene resin made of recycled plastic for added durability. This material does not peel, crack, or fade when exposed to elements that make them suitable for outdoor use. Furthermore, this chair does not require any form of maintenance as the chair is tough all year. This chair features a cup holder at the right arm of the chair, with a wide curvy armrest that supports the body to ensure it is comfortable for use. Furthermore, this chair supports up to 350 pounds of weight, making it suitable for the big guys. This chair requires assembling and can be done by one, with little or no technical know-how. All screws and tools and instructions are included, making it easy to assemble. This chair is lightweight, making it easy to move around for more comfort and convenience. Perfect for around the fire pit, for front porch decor, use as patio chairs, balcony set, and poolside seating. Also, it comes in various colors to complement anywhere it is placed. What we like: affordable, made of durable and all-weather materials, suitable for outdoor use, assembling is easy, lightweight for more convenience, requires no maintenance, does not crack, peel or rot, complement any design.